Do you find yourself waking up once, twice, maybe even 4 times a night just to go to the bathroom? If so, you're not alone. This frustrating pattern is actually more common than most people think, especially for those living with diabetes. It has a name, Nocturia, and while many just learn to live with it, constantly interrupted sleep can wear you down, impact your mood, and even raise your blood sugar levels the next day. But here's the good news. Small changes in what you eat might help you reclaim restful nights naturally and without medications. In this video, we're going to explore 3 powerful high-fiber foods that are not only backed by science, but also incredibly simple to add into your daily meals. These foods work in 3 essential ways. They help balance blood sugar, reduce nighttime urination, and support kidney function, a key player in fluid regulation. And don't worry, we're not talking about exotic superfoods or hard-to-find ingredients. These are everyday, affordable options that I personally use, and they've made a difference for people just like you. So if you're tired of sleepless nights and want real solutions grounded in nutrition and research, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools you can use starting today. Let's kick things off with one of the most underrated superfoods out there, chia seeds. These tiny seeds may look simple, but they hold powerful benefits, especially if you're dealing with high blood sugar or waking up multiple times a night to use the bathroom. Here's why chia seeds are a game changer. First, they're loaded with soluble fiber, which slows down how fast sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. That means fewer blood sugar spikes after meals, and more stable energy levels throughout the day and night. If your blood sugar is on a roller coaster, your bladder often pays the price. Chia seeds help smooth that ride. Second, they're hydration heroes. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like consistency that helps keep your body well hydrated. Why does that matter? Because when you're dehydrated, your urine becomes more concentrated, and that triggers your bladder to wake you up. By improving hydration, chia seeds may reduce those annoying nighttime bathroom trips. But that's not all. These seeds are also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation, something people with diabetes are especially vulnerable to. Plus, the antioxidants in chia seeds help fight oxidative stress, which can wear down your kidneys and other vital organs over time. Now, how do you actually eat them? It's super easy. Add a spoonful to your morning smoothie. Mix them into oatmeal or yogurt, or make a delicious chia pudding. One of my favorite recipes. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a few drops of stevia or vanilla extract. Stir well, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, you'll have a creamy, satisfying, fiber-rich pudding, perfect for breakfast or a midday snack. One viewer told me they went from waking up 4 times a night to just once after having chia pudding daily. That's the power of consistent nutrition. If you're buying chia seeds, go for organic and raw, no added sugar or preservatives. Buying in bulk is smart too. They store well, and you'll always have them on hand. So, if you're looking for a simple, natural way to balance your blood sugar and get better sleep, chia seeds might just be your new nightly ally. Let's talk about one of the creamiest, most delicious tools in your fight against blood sugar swings and nighttime bathroom trips: avocados. This isn't just a trendy toast topping. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that doesn't just sit there. It actively works to improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar more efficiently. For those managing diabetes or prediabetes, that's a game changer. But that's only the beginning. Avocados are also rich in fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber slows down the digestion of sugars, preventing spikes. Insoluble fiber supports healthy digestion. Together, they help keep your blood sugar steady, your energy even, and your bladder calm, especially at night. Now here's a detail most people miss: potassium. Avocados are naturally high in potassium, a mineral that helps balance your body's fluid levels and electrolytes. When potassium is out of whack, dehydration or fluid retention can creep in, both of which can trigger more frequent urination. By keeping hydration balanced, avocados may help reduce those nighttime wake-ups. But wait, they're not just about sugar and hydration. Avocados are also loaded with lutein, a powerful antioxidant that supports eye health and protects against oxidative stress, a major concern for those with long-term blood sugar issues. You're not just feeding your body, you're protecting your future. Need ideas for how to eat more avocados? Easy. Slice them into salads for a satisfying texture. Mash them onto whole grain toast. Top it with a poached egg. Tomatoes, or sprouts. Blend them into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-rich base. They even go great in rice bowls or wraps with grilled chicken or fish. When shopping, pick ripe avocados. They should give slightly when you press them, but not feel mushy. And if you can, go for organic to avoid unnecessary pesticide exposure. So next time you pass the avocado bin at the store, don't just think guac. Think blood sugar balance, better hydration, and deeper sleep, all wrapped up in one creamy, green package. Now let's shine the spotlight on one of the most budget-friendly, nourishing foods you can add to your plate: lentils. If you're trying to keep your blood sugar stable and cut back on nighttime trips to the bathroom, this humble legume might be exactly what you need. Let's break it down. First, lentils are rich in soluble fiber, which helps slow down how sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. That's huge for anyone dealing with blood sugar spikes. A steady release of glucose means fewer ups and downs. And yes, fewer sleep interruptions caused by your bladder going into overdrive. But here's what really sets lentils apart. They're not just good for blood sugar, they're fantastic for your kidneys too. The fiber in lentils helps regulate fluid balance, which plays a major role in preventing nocturia, or frequent nighttime urination. Think of it as food that works with your body's natural rhythms, not against them. And we can't forget the plant-based protein. One bowl of lentils keeps you full longer, reducing the urge for late-night snacking that often throws your glucose out of whack. On top of that, lentils are packed with iron, folate, and complex carbs, nutrients your body needs to transport oxygen, grow healthy cells, and fuel your day without sugar crashes. Wondering how to use them? Lentils are incredibly versatile. Toss them into soups, hearty stews, or cold salads, or try them as a meat substitute in tacos or veggie burgers. One easy favorite? A warming lentil soup. Sauté onion and garlic. Add a cup of lentils, 4 cups of veggie broth, and season with turmeric, cumin, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 30 minutes and enjoy a cozy, blood sugar-friendly meal. Pro tip: choose dry lentils over canned. They're lower in sodium, last longer, and give you full control over what goes into your food. If possible, go for organic or non-GMO to get the cleanest, most nutritious product. So, whether you're cooking on a budget or simply want food that pulls its weight, lentils deliver for your blood sugar, your sleep, and your long-term health. You've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but did you know it might also help keep those nighttime bathroom trips at bay? Let's talk about apples. A fruit so familiar that many people overlook just how powerful it can be for managing blood sugar and supporting better sleep. The secret lies in a type of soluble fiber called pectin, which apples contain in abundance. Pectin works by slowing down sugar absorption in the digestive tract, helping you avoid sudden glucose spikes that can trigger more frequent urination, especially during the night. But there's more. Apples also support a healthy gut microbiome, feeding the good bacteria that help regulate inflammation, digestion, and even mood. And when your digestion runs smoothly, your fluid balance tends to follow, helping to reduce nighttime bladder urgency. What makes apples so convenient is their simplicity. Grab one as an easy mid-morning or late-night snack. Slice them into salads, add them to oatmeal, or even bake them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a dessert that's naturally sweet, no sugar needed. Quick tip: leave the skin on. That's where most of the fiber and antioxidants live. Also, whenever possible, choose organic apples. Apples are one of the most pesticide-sprayed fruits in conventional farming, so organic options can help you avoid unnecessary exposure. So if you're looking for a practical, affordable, and refreshing way to support blood sugar balance and reduce those annoying nighttime interruptions, an apple might just be the easiest place to start. Now that we've covered chia seeds, avocados, and lentils, let's take a look at a few more familiar foods that might already be sitting in your kitchen, just weighing to help you rest better and manage your blood sugar more smoothly. First up, apples. Yes, the classic fruit we've all grown up with contains a powerful type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin works by slowing down sugar absorption, helping to keep your blood sugar steady and your digestion running smoothly. That's important, because when your digestive system is calm, your body doesn't send you running to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Try eating an apple with the peel on. That's where much of the fiber and antioxidants are. It's a great snack before bed or as part of a light dinner salad. Next, oats. Oats are more than just a cozy breakfast food. They're packed with beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that's been shown to help lower blood sugar after meals and increase satiety, meaning you feel fuller longer and are less likely to crave those sugary midnight snacks. Start your morning with a warm bowl of oatmeal. Blend them into a smoothie, or even bake them into healthy muffins. Just avoid the sugary instant versions. Go for old-fashioned or steel-cut oats for the best results. And don't overlook broccoli. This green veggie may not get much fanfare, but it's a powerhouse of fiber and antioxidants. Broccoli helps reduce inflammation, which is a major driver of chronic health issues in people with diabetes. It also supports kidney health, which is closely tied to how your body manages fluids and, you guessed it, nighttime urination. Steam it, stir-fry it, or roast it with a little olive oil and garlic. There are so many ways to enjoy it. Together, these foods may not seem flashy, but they deliver real results. They're affordable, accessible, and supported by science. So next time you're planning meals, think simple, think smart, and think about how your dinner might help you sleep better naturally. So let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. Whether it's the chia seeds in your morning pudding, the avocado on your toast, or a warm bowl of lentil soup for dinner, these foods aren't just delicious. They're powerful allies in the fight against blood sugar spikes, Nocturia, and the kidney strain that often comes with diabetes. And when you add everyday staples like apples, oats, and broccoli to the mix, you're giving your body the fiber, hydration, and antioxidants it needs to function at its best. Each one of these foods plays a specific role, from slowing sugar absorption, to regulating fluid balance, to reducing inflammation, and when you bring them together, you create a simple, science-backed strategy for better sleep and better health. Now, if you found any part of this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Tap the like button, so this content reaches more people who need it. Leave a comment and let me know, which of these foods are already part of your routine? Which one are you curious to try first? And if you want to keep learning practical, natural ways to manage diabetes and feel more in control, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, so you never miss a new video. Your health journey doesn't have to be overwhelming. Sometimes, it starts with what's on your plate and the choices you make. One bite at a time.